So hello grade 10. Today I'm going to teach you the different method of factoring polynomial. So yung kumbaga iba't ibang techniques kung paano nga ba tayo nag-solve ng factoring polynomial. So let's start by GCF, okay, or the greatest common factor. So kung meron tayong example number 1 na 6x minus 12 and we're going to factor this one. So by the use of GCF, so this two terms have a common GCF which is 6. Tama? So, kung ipa-factor natin to, we have 6. 6 times x, that is 6x. 12 divided by 6, that is 3. Or negative 12 divided by 6, that is negative 2. Sorry. So, kapag pinactor natin yung 6x minus 12, that is equal to 6 times x minus 2. Okay? So, let's have an example number 2. What if we have 3x cubed minus 9x squared? Okay, so if we're going to factor this one by the use of GCF, so meron silang GCF of what? 3x squared. Okay? 3x squared or 3x cubed divided by 3x squared, that is x. Tama? And negative 9x squared divided by 3x squared, that is negative 3. So we have our factored form 3x squared times x minus 3. Or pwede natin itong i-expand pa na 3x times x minus 3. So meron na tayong tatlong factored form. Okay, so let's have an example number 3. So if we have 4x squared minus 12x. Okay, so by GCF, this number 3, meron silang GCF of what? Of 4x. So we have 4x. 4x squared divided by 4x, that is x. Diba? Kapag pinag-multiply natin to, that is 4x squared. Next, if we have negative 12x divided by 4x, that is negative 3. So our factored form is 4x times x minus 3. Nakuha? So, sana malinaw yung factoring polynomials by GCF. So, makakatulong to para mas mapadali nyo ma-factor yung mga problems nyo about factoring polynomials. So, now, other method of factoring polynomials is the use of X method. So, I'm going to teach you about factoring polynomials by the use of X method. So, our polynomials should be written in a standard form ax squared plus bx plus c. So, paalala lang, this method is only used when our polynomials is quadratic trinomial. Okay? Kung ang power niya is 2, that is a quadratic. And kung meron 3 terms, that is trinomial. So, dun lang natin to ginagamit, itong method na to. Okay? So, kapag x method, so we have here x, bx. Okay? The AC here is, if we're going to multiply the coefficient here and the c, a and c, so dito natin siya ilalagay. Okay? Then sa baba naman, meron tayong b. So kung ano yung value ni b dito natin siya ilalagay. Then we're going to factor the result of our AC. Okay? So ano yung number na kapag minultiply and in-add natin, ang sagot is yung product natin dito. Then dito natin siya ilalagay sa dalawang a. Okay? So, let's have an example number 1. Okay, so in example number 1, 4x squared plus 16x plus 15. Okay, tandaan natin yung ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so our a here is 4 and our c is 15. So, we're going to multiply 4 and 15. 4 times 15, that is, ilan? 60. Okay, so dito natin siya ilalagay. Then, our b is in the middle, or in the second term, which is 16. Now, ano yung number na kapag minultiply natin and inad natin, ang sagot is 60, pero kapag inad natin is 16. So, kuha tayo ng mga factor ng 60. Okay? So, ito yung mga factor ng 60. So, we have 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 18. Meron pa ba? 5 times 12. And also 6 times 10. Okay, so these are the factors of 60. Now, alin dito sa mga factors na to na kapag inad natin, ang sagot is 16. That is 6 and 10. So, in 6 and 10, ilalagay natin siya sa dalawang A natin. So, we have 6 and 10. Over A. Okay, ito yung purpose niya na, yung over A na yan. Which is 4. Nakuha? So, we have 6 over 4 and 10 over 4. And 10 over 4. Then, we're going to simplify. 6 over 4, that is equal to 3 over 2. Nakuha? And 10 over 4, kapag sinimplify natin yan, that is 5 over 2. Now, paano natin ipa-factor yan? So, kung meron tayong 3 over 2 dito, that is 2x plus 3. Okay? So, si 2 yung nasa denominator, siya yung first term mo sa binomial mo. Okay? Lalagyan mo lang ng x. Okay? Next, yung 5 over 2, yung 5 over 2 dito, that is 2x plus 5. Okay? So, again, yung denominator, yung nasa baba, siya yung first term mo. Okay? Then, yung nasa taas, siya yung second term mo sa binomial or sa factored form. Now, i-check natin kung tama ba na 4x squared plus 16x plus 15 kapag minultiply natin yung factored form natin. Okay? So, 2x times 2x, that is 4x squared. 5 times 3, that is 15. 3 times 2x, that is 6x. Okay? 2x times 5, that is 10x. Now, we have 4x squared, combine the similar term, 6x plus 10x, that is 16x plus 15. Okay. Tama naman, di ba? Similar lang. Yan. Pareho lang. So, kapag ganyan yung pag-checking ng ating factored form. So, ibig sabihin yung factored form ng ating polynomials na 4x squared plus 16x plus 15 is 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 5. Now, let's have an example number 2. Okay, so we have 3x squared plus 21x plus 30. So, kung mapapansin natin sa polynomials natin, merong GCF or may common factor sa bawat terms natin. So, pwede pa natin simplify muna yung ating polynomials. Okay? So, since the common factor is 3, so, pwede ito maging 3 times x squared. Okay? So, 21x divided by 3, that is 7x. And 30 divided by 3, that is 10. Okay? So, yung 3, itabi muna natin. And yung x squared plus 7x plus 10, iyan yung gamitan natin ng x method. Okay? So, again, yung nandito sa atin sa taas na x, yun yung pagmumultiply natin yung first term natin and yung constant term. Okay, 1 times 10, that is 10. And dito sa baba, ang ilalagay natin is yung letter B, yung nasa gitna, which is 7. Okay? Again, kukunin natin yung mga factors ng 10. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga factors ng 10? That is 2 times 5, 10 times 1. So, alin dito, yung kapag inad mo is 7, which is, that is 2 and 5. So, since ang A natin is 1, so over 1 lang yan. So, ibig sabihin yung factored form natin, kapag ipa-factored form natin itong nasa x method natin, that is x plus 2 times x plus 5. Okay? Then, balikan mo yung 3. Ilagay mo ngayon si 3 dito. Okay? So, you have 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 5. Okay? So, ito yung factored form natin. Okay, so again, let's have a checking kung tama yung nakuha nating factored form. So, itong 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 5, pwede mo na itong ipasok si 3 sa loob. So, you have 3x plus 6. Okay, dinistribute lang natin si 3. 3 times x and 3 times 2. That is 3x plus 6. Times x plus 5. Okay. So, you have 3x times x, that is 3x squared. 6 times 5, that is 30. Okay. 6 times x, that is 6x. And 5 times 3x, that is 15x. Okay, now combine lang natin. So we have 3x squared, 6x plus 15x, that is 21x plus 30. Okay, so kung babalikan natin yung problem natin, similar lang yung nakuha natin. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung factored form na nakuha natin, which is 3x plus 6 times x plus 5. Okay?